Forward Bound is a 501c3 charitable organization providing mission-related services to communities at large and individual members of those communities. We provide 4 tracks of education and support for these communities and their members. Our focus is to provide education and awareness, assistance in linking with area professionals to address communities with environmental exposure and related needs and issues, facilitation in rebuilding communities and individuals affected by mold toxins, and assisting individuals and communities to move forward with increased knowledge, understanding, and prevention techniques to sustain community and individual growth and maintain long-term sustainability. Our goal is to provide our community members with relative information in order to ensure they have the opportunity and the basis to make informed decisions when and or if challenged with predicted risk related to climate change.